Morning.
Morning.
Are you ready for Scotland? I'm excited. You are? Yes. And having my last croissant before going away from Paris and ironing, packing up. Still looks very messy here. Selamat pagi. Where are we going? Scotland. Yes. Yes, Scotland. Are you happy?
Yeah.
By airplane?
Yeah.
Yes. You're hiding. Oh, hug for mama. You're happy, huh? You say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
We are going in the plane and waiting to get in by Paris.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight TS-1987.
Hero. Touch my head. Get it. Get it. Yay. Yay. We made it! Made it! Someone is feeling cold.
Someone is feeling cold.
Here we are. First suitcase is here. 3 more to go.
How many green, I mean?
That's ours! Yes! Papa, take it!
I just wanna stay so I can say what happens in this dream. I just wanna stay.
We made it! This is our view from our Airbnb.
Who can spot the first castle?
We're gonna look at a lot of castles while Kenji is training.